Say music a fi me thing and no hard work. Who shovel in a dirt till it hard up. When puss come to shop, you no see it. And me and me good them get no benefit. More greed and you know the thing going on.
Sorry things.
Dunbeholden. Than himself.
Be a great youth from Dunbeholden.
Be a great youth there. You know the thing, we out here and we just do it. We hear that and the Ballentine, big up yourself.
Rush out without a doubt.
The craft, yeah? Rush out without a doubt. You know the thing. You know what I mean? Chipper them black. So you know the thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. Everybody say youth are gone, you know. We chuck them a drop like bomb, you know. Everybody say youth are gone. How we handle it?
Andy. Hey. Ballentine.
Bobby, it's alright now that one not for you.
Why? Artists must have something for me, you know.
Yeah man, that one not for you.
Long time I don't come on my place with that.
We not give. Them no ads.
Oh, when I give Arizona,
we not give no ads.
Yeah,
that song, see that song, yeah? Song, so you know the thing, Ballentine. You know what I mean? So we talk about art, we talk about music, so this is about same. You know what I mean?
Ziggy, go and deal with it,
everybody say you you're gone, you know.
Yeah, come in here. Go and do your thing.
Your heart them a shot like bomb, you know. Everybody say you're gone. Stop sell star art around the world, you know. Everybody say Andy gone, you know. Heart them a rock like star, you know. Everybody say Andy gone. Stop sell star and a paint up the world, you know. Get him visa, see it though him can travel. Woman want give anywhere no pan gravel. Say say better in a the tabernacle, but loving in a belly like javelin a travel. Him sit down on the plane and weigh him pre-back. Where him a go bring pan the rush out black. Him say 4 hot girl, 2 brown, 2 black and a 150. Fire bats, fire blacks and the next stick black when you know what him like. Touching at the street and come link Ziggy down. See to know we have all the whole world like from Marvelous straight back to Sherlock. Everybody say Andy gone, you know. Him heart them a drop like bomb, you know. Everybody say Andy gone. Him stop saying star and a paint up the world, you know. Everybody say Andy gone. Yeah. See there, cook shop. Get your art while going. You know it, chap. Gone. Out there, you know everything go. Rush out without a doubt. You hear that fully up, you know, take no fully up. You ready now?
No.
You know the thing go. The settings though. Right. No. Yeah, so we just out here do the right thing.
Dancer.
Yeah. You know the thing go. You know?
I may do all like style.
Yeah, now that's a simple. He's a simple Jamaican. He's a simple Jamaican artist. A lot of people we discriminate people from where them come from and them things. We don't really discriminate people because at the end of the day we travel most of the world. Jamaica, you see, a lot of people think because them hold on. Let me say something. A lot of people think that Jamaica is a world. The world is like a book and Jamaica is just one page. And a lot of people talk because they maybe go to America and them talk for the whole world. We travel, we read a couple pages of the book, mean that we go whole heap of little place in the world. And we find out that it's not about what you have, it's not about the vanity where you have, it's about the love, it's about the love where you have for your friend. Your friend can't even give you $1,000. You see me I say? That is true love and respect for your friend them. Where you know so you're out there and you can come back and try to dig up an next youth to make the world see him and bring him out there too. So it's not about just you want to just suck up everything like a vacuum. You have to share because most of the people in the world, me buck up on, we have a lot of money. You can't tell them have a lot of money because they don't look blingy. And one thing I learn from art, and I want people to know this too. I learn a lot of things from art. I know when a man poor, I know when a man have money. And art teach me that. The flashy is, the poor is, the simple is, whole heap of money have. So people see a lot of artists, like performing artists with Benz, this and that, them don't really have no money. So may I say, it's just paycheck to paycheck, or them just have a good credit and them just take a car. The rich man, he have a whole heap of money and him just simple. Simple. And we travel the world and we see that. We got Europe. He's a youth who I'm around 20, I'm around 22. billionaire. And if you see him, he must say to me, say, Andy, I want a Jamaican girl, man. I want a Jamaican girl. The man they have millionaire. You see me? And a simple little youth, and him just in our simple sneakers. Him now bling out and all these things. When I'm in America, I'm here to some rapper. With people that see and text them on money, the rapper them broke. When you have them guys that club, man, I say, Andy, you know, I'm just gonna buy some drink. So no man, we don't roll them way at Jamaica, man. You know, buy a drink for me and you drink. Me buy my drink, and me just buy you some drink. So, learn them things there. I know, say, because you see a man driving a brand new car, don't think that he have money. He don't really have no money. You see the man who have money, he now go drive a car where it costs him a lot for insurance. He maybe just drive a simple Toyota. Like me I tell Benz man, he now floss. You see what I say? And anything he might buy, it have to give him back something. Investment. You get what I say? If now we're going to one party and shell it down with much case of liquor, no millionaire man no do that. Poor man do that. Poor man will maybe can get a quick dollar. You see the money we are millionaire, them not do them things.
The money turn.
Yeah, for them, you see if I go buy you, if I come here so now and buy a case of liquor in a dance, he buy it because he knows that tomorrow morning he might benefit something from buying that.
Could have been buckle.
Exactly. But you see, we see soon as we get that money, you know, we trust a car, then we drive company car now, we tell our friends they are foreign him for day. And we not help him for day, you know, but we are telling him saying for day. So you're not going to reach you if you don't help him. Straight. You know what I say? Yeah, it's simple say things.
Straight. You also know say I dance at this, you know. You see it?
But you're a dancer now?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The
No,
chef,
man, the man are full of talent, man. The man are chef, man. Yo.
Give them one, let me show them a swap.
Everybody
Yo, move the paint.
push.
The paint that for me, you know.
We are push gas, we are push. We are push gas, we are push. We are push gas, and now look for the cash man. Push. Is. They got jokes.
No, man, yo, this is not going from morning, man. This is a party of season. No, when I'm from morning, the party I should not go on, man. Yo. Go here, go here, the man come take for your thing. Yo, Ziggy done. Ziggy done, do work apart, let me get in there, man. Yo. Hold on, man, this is not going from morning. Everybody start. Yo, we are Ziggy done, put on the phone and go away now. Cough now, man. Yeah. No, man. I don't know how thing this dog. Cough,
where you there? Very soon I push gas. Where you gone? Come here, now, son. Tipile.
Yeah, man.
Come here, Tipile.
No, man, we don't want to push you one. Give me push. Yo, give me push you one.
Tipile.
Yo, man, give me push.
Where say I push you one?
Yeah, man.
So we are tell them
push.
We are push gas, we are push. We are push gas, we are push. We are push gas, push, we are push and now look for the cash and now push. We are push gas, we are push. We are dance, you think I joke thing? Road here. Push.
The artist, come back. Yeah, I sign here, was it? No, brother. Everybody know that. No, just so I tell the people they want to play talented. Yes, man. No, sir.
Hold on.
You ready?
Wait.
Give me a push, man.
Yeah.
Should I give him the 40 leg cards?
Need a Barry. Well, need a Barry. Show them say Barry. Of course. Nah, get just right.
Barry used to sing it like you don't sing again. Barry, what go on?
Come in, man, artist, I want to artist there. Sing it sweet. Sing it sweet. Come in, sing it sweet. Sing it sweet. Come on, sing it sweet.
Don't yell at me when Barry used to sing out the road.
Yeah,
ball out.
Anytime you see code, you can some program.
When the crowd.
Code price.
And then crowd the last time I call like my girl. I never brought
When we go back, Nicky, what? When we go back,
Barry first scratch here and sign a weakness.
when we go back, Nicky, when they say
You can't sing again, Barry.
what?
You get mashed up.
Right.
You can't sing again.
Yeah, man. I didn't say